there. Welcome to iSenseHUB, your all-in-one AI productivity platform that helps you to be efficient in whatever you do. In that line, today we're going to be looking at one of the efficiency tools on iSenseHUB. That tool is called Brand Voice. So when you scroll to the bottom, there is a tool here called Brand Voice. You ask, why do we put it at the bottom? We put it at the bottom because you said it once. You don't have to keep setting it. You said it once, and that is all about it. So let's quickly go through that and set it up. Look at how to set it up, and then look at a real life situation where you can use the brand voice. Okay, so I've set up some dummy brand voice with content here to help with this demo. But today I'm going to focus on the iSenseHUB content. So let's quickly jump into that. Over here, it asks about the company, which I said iSenseHUB. The industry, I listed some industries over here. Description is over here. Our website address is here. Tagline, our tone of voice, audience. We have all these things. And as a business or a company, I know you have all these things because this is key to your business. This is what helps you personalize content for your audience. So if you don't have this, then I will encourage you to start looking into how to get this. And the good news is with iSenseHUB, you can generate all this content effortlessly. So you are at the right place. So once you generate this content and you set them up, that is you're all set. Okay. Obviously, I've already set this up, but if you were to start yours, you want to set yours up, you click create new company. Okay. New company, sorry. You click new company. That is why you click. So when you click that, it's going to open up this, and then you go through the same process that I just showed you over there, and then you click save. Now let's look at how to use this thing after you have set it up. Okay, so I'll go to one of the AI tools that we have on the platform. Here, I'll just choose the first one. This is for demonstration purposes, so no problem. I'll choose Content Genie. And here you have over 160 AI writing tools here. Today I'm going to look at business. Let's say I want to create job description. So I'll click this one. And then you see it asks include brand. This is where the magic happens. You toggle this on, and then here now it gives you the option to select your company. I can go in here and then select iSenseHUB or any of the other three brand voices that are set up when we're at the brand voice section, okay? But I'll focus on iSenseHUB. And then we say we're creating a job description, right? Right now, it's going to ask you, I don't need this one, but I'll just choose this. Job title, let's say we want to hire a marketing manager, right? So if only I can, marketing manager, okay? Company name, I don't need to put the company name there because I've already selected a brand voice, okay? If you didn't select this, then now you have to enter your company name, and you have to enter the description of your company, what it does, and stuff like that. So here, probably I'm just going to leave this blank, Normally, I'll type something, then most of the time I'll just copy this and paste it here. But today I'm going to leave it just to see what the system will do. I've already selected my brand voice, and I expect it to know that I'm generating content for iSenseHUB, and we want to hire a marketing manager. So let's see, you and I are just looking at this for the first time, okay? So nothing here, but let's see what happens. One of the major additions onto iSenseHUB, which is just about a week ago, is the ability to select your own AI platform. OpenAI powers ChatGPT. Anthropic powers Claude AI. And Google powers Gemini. You get the chance to choose whichever you want. But for today, demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose ChatGPT 4. It doesn't mean that this is better than any of them. As a matter of fact, there are other ones that are better right here. But this is just for demo purposes, so I'm going to choose this one. And one of the things that I will always encourage you to pay attention to is the maximum length. Because this tells the AI that, okay, you are open to allow it to generate 32,000 character-based content for you. That is a lot depending upon the content you're generating, okay? Today, because this is just a demo purpose, I'm just going to say 2,000, okay? And maybe I want premium, okay? So let's go ahead. We haven't entered a description. We haven't entered a company name. We only selected our brand voice and we chose iSenseHUB. Let's see how much it knows about iSenseHUB. So now your professional job description is being prepared for you, okay? It already started. Company name, iSenseHUB. Website address is already here. We never entered any of this in our prompt. Remember, we only gave a job title, marketing manager. But you can see that your content is already being personalized. It's giving you a company overview. This saves you time because to get a company overview, you should have put something like this into the description, right? But because you already set up your brand voice, you don't need to do this. Guys, this is an efficiency platform. All we care about on iSenseHUB every day when we wake up and go to work, all we think about is how can we help people to be very efficient and productive in what they do. That is our goal. That is the job. If we are able to do that, we know that our subscribers will love us. And I believe we have delivered on that multiple times, and we'll keep delivering on that, because as long as we keep going to work every day, guess what we'll be doing? We'll be generating software products that seek to maximize your output while you're minimizing the time that you put into that, okay? So we have a company overview. We have a tagline right here. Guys, can you believe this? It even gave you a tagline. This is amazing. This is fantastic. It gave you a job description, okay? This is what we're talking about. And the only thing you typed was a job title, marketing manager. That is the only thing you typed. This is a productivity platform. I think this alone sells it out, okay? So go try it out. I'm not going to spend more time on this video, but you can see that we've already made a point right here. We made a point. Everything is here. This is a professionally done job description that you can copy and post anywhere. And it's not only this. All the tools on the platform that has brand voice, you get to select your company and get to go with it, okay? So with this, thank you very much for being here. There are other videos coming your way. Make sure you use the platform and get yourself to the top, because that is what we want for you. Thank you very much.